Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6.1 Content Suggestion Enhancements feature. In Release 16.6, Teamsite provided intelligent content suggestions as part of the content automation feature set to help page authors find the most relevant content. Since AI is imperfect, Teamsite 16.6.1 provides authors with the flexibility to refine these suggestions. Authors now can add or remove keywords to fine-tune the suggestion results on the fly. Select a page, open for edit, and try to add a component. Select Assets, and notice the changes to the suggested content section. It includes different types of keywords that were picked automatically. Some are listed in the UI. To see the rest, click on the More button. The suggested results will be changed in real time as the user deletes irrelevant keywords. If none of the keywords are relevant, the user can select Clear All, or manually enter desired keywords to influence the suggested contents. Similar functionality is available for the image browser. Click in a component to browse for an image. Remove an irrelevant keyword. Add a desired keyword. Or clear all. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6.1 increases the user efficiency as it is easy to refine content suggestions in real time and find the relevant assets for the page.